works on the basis of consensus. As you know, in this particular ongoing conflict, there are several members of the BRICS who are involved in it, and for that reason, it has been difficult to bridge the gap between the positions that countries have taken, but we continue to be engaged with all the stakeholders. कि आपको पता है कि पिछले कई एक दशकों में ये हमारा पक्ष रहा है भारत का कि जल्द से जल्द संयुक्त राष्ट्र का सुधार हो, और ऐसे मौके पर जब हम सुधार की बात करते हैं तो उसमें एक नया मायना आ जाता है. In regard to Ministry of External Affairs, as you are aware, our External Affairs Minister, he visited Brussels. There he was invited by the EU High Representative and Vice President, Her Excellency Kaja Kallas, to attend the EU Foreign Affairs Council meeting. At the meeting, apart from discussing India-EU ties, he and other ministers of the European Union, foreign ministers of the various countries of the EU, they discussed global challenges, particularly the situation in West Asia, including its effect on energy security. The ministers, they also underlined the need for dialogue and diplomacy to be adopted to bring an early end to this particular conflict. On the margins of the Foreign Affairs Council meeting, External Affairs Minister had bilateral meetings with EU High Representative and Vice President, Madam Kaja Kallas, and the Foreign Ministers of Belgium, Cyprus, Germany, Netherlands, and Slovakia. In these discussions as well, he exchanged views on latest international developments. BRICS, we hold the presidency. BRICS works on the basis of consensus. As you know, in this particular ongoing conflict, there are several members of the BRICS who are involved in it, and for that reason, it has been difficult to bridge the gap between the positions that countries have taken, but we continue to be engaged with all the stakeholders. On the other question of West Asia, developments in West Asia, how much of that has been a part of discussion? Yes, External Affairs Minister discussed pressing global challenges, including the ongoing conflict in West Asia, with his counterparts from Europe, whom he met on the sidelines of the Foreign Affairs Council meeting. Obviously, this is a conflict which is having an impact globally, and therefore it is important that when leaders meet, they discuss issues which have ramifications across the board. Energy security, the impact that this particular conflict is having on energy security was an important point of discussion. As also the foreign ministers reiterated, and we also underlined the point that dialogue and diplomacy is the way forward to bring this conflict to an end early. Thank you. उनसे और अन्य देशों के साथ हमारी बातचीत चल रही है. जैसा कि हमारे स्पेशल सेक्रेटरी साहब ने बताया, कई एक जहाज हमारी स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज में के इलाके में अभी भी वहाँ पर स्थगित हैं. तो ये हमारा इरादा है कि ईरान के साथ और अन्य देशों के साथ बात करके उन जहाज़ों को देश सुरक्षित लाया जाए. ये हमारा उद्देश्य है. इस पर बातचीत चल रही है. जहाँ तक मानवीय सहायता की बात आपने कही, ईरान के साथ कई एक मुद्दे पर हमारी बातचीत चल रही है. तो शुरुआत से ही हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हमको, और ये भारत का पक्ष रहा है कि संवाद का रास्ता तय किया जाए, राजनयिक माध्यम का रास्ता तय किया जाए, ताकि जल्द से जल्द ये संघर्ष को विराम पे लाया जाए. हम लोगों ने ये भी कहा है कि हम सभी देशों से ये हमारी आह्वान है कि संयम बरतें और संघर्ष को आगे बढ़ने से रोका जाए. जहाँ तक आपने संयुक्त राष्ट्र की बात की, वहाँ के सुधार की बात की, आपको पता है कि पिछले कई एक दशकों में ये हमारा पक्ष रहा है भारत का कि जल्द से जल्द संयुक्त राष्ट्र का सुधार हो, और ऐसे मौके पर जब हम सुधार की बात करते हैं तो उसमें एक नया मायना आ जाता है, और साथ ही साथ यही पता चलता है कि इसको जितना जल्दी करें उतना जल्दी बेहतर होगा संयुक्त राष्ट्र के लिए और दुनिया के लिए.